Hi, boys and girls. Are you ready to play Hot Diggity Dog? Great. To play this game, you can either play it by yourself or with a partner. The materials you'll need are the game boards, this math tool, and Unifix cubes. If you don't have those items, go and get them now. Ready to go? Perfect. Now, the first step is you put a dog puzzle together. You find a head portion and a tail portion, and you connect them, just like this. Next, you're going to say the first number and use the cubes to count on to find what's missing. Let me show you. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So there were 5 missing. Use the Math Talk card to read the puzzle. 3 and 5 is 8. 3 and 5 is 8. If you're playing with a partner, have your partner check your answer. Remember to take a picture on Seesaw or Dojo to send your teacher and then continue playing. Do at least 3 puzzles. Have fun playing Hot Diggity Dog.